Yeah. Grab your phone, let's get connected. Government services, perfectly directed.
No more long lines, no more stress. Let's get the eGovPH app, it's simply the best.
Listen close, I'm gonna show you the way. Let's get you set up for a digital day, let's go! First things first, grab a steady Wi-Fi. 17 megs on Android, 59 on the iOS side. Open up your Play Store or the Apple App Store. Use your normal account, you don't need to make more. Type eGovPH right in the search bar. Hit install again, you won't have to wait for under 2 minutes. Tap, open when it's done. Welcome to the screen, yeah, we've just begun! Oh, eGovPH, right in the palm of your hand. Digital IDs and services across the land. Download it, register, verify your face. Government transactions at your very own pace. Hey, hey, eGovPH. Oh, eGovPH. Philippines in your pocket. Let's go. Tap get started, let's build your basic. Type your mobile number, keep it in a safe place. Check your SMS for the OTP code. Type it in the box, you're on the right road. Now make a 6-digit and PIN, make it strong. Don't use your birthday, that's doing it wrong. Write it down somewhere safe, keep it out of sight. Enter your email address and verify it right. Wait, you're in, but you only see tourism. To unlock the rest, verification is the rhythm. Oh, eGovPH, right in the palm of your hand. Digital IDs and services across the land. Download it, register, verify your face. Government transactions at your very own pace. Hey, hey, eGovPH. Oh, eGovPH. Philippines in your pocket. Let's go. Part 2, go to profile, tap verify account. This is the step that really starts to count. Link it to Philsys, type your details, right name, birth date, address, gotta get it tight. Got your Phil's card number, type the PCN, scan the QR code. Yeah, you're doing great, my friend. Not a face scan, step into the light. Blink and turn your head, keep your face inside. Wait for the email, could take a couple of hours. Once it says approve, all the features are yours. Hold up, let me drop a couple of tips. The app is 100% free, no hidden tricks. But MBI or PSA, those have a fee. Pay with you can pay, it's as easy as can be. And listen close, if you don't have a national ID, you can't unlock the vault, it's a Philsys decree. So do your step to biometrics, get registered first. Then come back to the app and quench your digital thirst. Yeah, that's how it's done. Step 1, download. Step 2, register. Step 3, verify. eGovPH, your digital ID, your government